Namaste, how are you guys? So today I am gonna share a fun video with you guys. I decided to redo my room, and by redoing my room I don't mean anything fancy like moving furnitures or something, but just kind of adding knickknacks here and there and making it look better. So I got a bunch of stuff from Amazon and also some stuff from just 3 frames from Mr. DIY. And everything that I got from Amazon is under 700 rupees. So this is a budget friendly makeover. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and also if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And now without further ado, let's get started with this video. Okay, so now you can see I have this flower arrangement which is like very temporary thing because I had nothing there, so I just kept it there. So I'm gonna remove that obviously. Also, first thing that I've already done is installed bookshelf. Now this is something that was out of my comfort zone. So I had someone from the outside come in and drill holes, and then he just put up the bookshelves. So the shelves are ready. I just have to kind of arrange it, which I will do in some time. But first thing, I'm very much concerned about this wall because this is what will be seen very easily, and I want to like make it a little bit fancy-ish. Also, my dad is gonna help me with everything, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay guys, like you can see, the sticker is up. It's just covering one side of my wall, so I decided to put up this on the other side. Obviously I'll change the pictures and everything later on, but yeah, it's not an easy task putting up just stickers. Like, you have to make sure there's no air bubbles inside. That's the main thing. Now let's go ahead and put up the frames, which are here since forever. So for the first time ever, I'm using command strips for this. So I have already put up like 2 command strips here. So other command strip, it's basically like Velcro. So this will go on wall and then some on frame, and then you just have to like stick this together. It's something like that. I'm trying this out for the first time, so I don't know if this will work exactly the way it's supposed to. So let's go ahead and see that. Okay guys, so this is done. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Obviously I'll change the pictures inside the frame and make it more colorful like that one. But this wall is now plain, so I am planning to put up this sign that I got from Amazon. So the links to everything that I got, like this is from Amazon, this is from Mr. DIY, so you may not get this there. But there are a lot of frames available on Amazon as well, so maybe I'll just link that. And then I got this. So I've already opened it, so I know. So it's a LED sign and it says love. And wait, so to apply that I got this grip tip which is basically used to, like, you can even like use this to put up frames and all if you want. So it's like a transparent tape. Next thing I got is actually something for my window. It's like a film for window, so that there's some privacy. Wait, let me just... So this is what it looks like. So we'll just go ahead and apply this on the windows now. You guys, can you see the difference? Oh my god, there's a huge change. Like, it's just like frosted glass, which comes for super expensive price. Now it's time to set this up basically. So the shelves, I got them from Amazon, and I'm just gonna put like knickknacks and some books, and we'll see. Like, I'm still trying to figure that out. So yeah, obviously that's gonna change every now and then, but for now I need to put something up because it's looking very plain. First, let's just go ahead and remove this. Are you guys ready for this? It's kind of satisfying. Cage, which is also kind of like faded. Maybe I'll just spray paint it sometime when I'm like free. And lights. So basically it's like battery powered, so I'm trying if I can just like put this inside the cage and then put that up. That would be nice. Okay, it's done. Let me go ahead and put this on. Okay, let's go ahead and see everything that I have here. There was an accident, please don't ask. Obviously I need to erase the pencil marks as well. So first we have the YouTube Next Up button that I got, then the cage obviously, and the light. I kind of like extended it here. This random tree I got in a PR package. Then we have some books here, and my favorite book, the book that I'm currently reading, and just a random book. I just thought this book looks great, so I kept it. Obviously it's pink. Then we have this planter here, which is obviously fake succulent. And then this frame, please, I absolutely hate this picture, but I need to change that. But I love the frame, that's why I kept it here. And that's basically it. Things I still need to figure out, this bottom section here. There are still few things left, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Hi guys, oops, sorry. Hi guys, okay, so it's quite some time later, and I am planning, like, I don't like this setup of my PC. I'm planning to move this on this side and the monitor on that side. I'm not sure if this will be a good idea, but I just want to give it a try right now, just in case if this works out great. It will be nice. It's done. Hi guys, it's day 2 of room transformation. Not exactly day 2, like, but I'm doing this after a week, but still it's like day 2 because this is the second day that I'm transforming my room. Anyway, so now the problem is my paint is like chipping. I'm not sure if you can see. So there it is, and then also on the top. Now I'm absolutely sure we are not painting, at least not till 2021 or till this corona thing gets done with, because it's gonna be risky. And we were supposed to paint it before this Diwali this year, so that's kind of like on hold. So to hide those cracks, what I thought of is, if you have seen my Amazon haul from maybe 2-3 months ago, I got this butterfly stickers. I still haven't used them. So I thought I'll stick this butterflies in those cracks and maybe make it less visible if possible. Okay guys, so they are up, and honestly I'm not sure how I feel about it right now, because I am someone who hates butterflies and they are like looking very much terrifying to me right now. Like, I don't know, maybe I'll keep it for a month or two, and if I get like weird vibes every time I look at it, then I'll probably remove it. But for now, it's doing an amazing job of hiding the cracks. So I'm happy about that. So the next thing we're gonna do is change my bed sheet. Now this is one of my favorite bed sheet, but then we'll have to change this because I'm like tired of it now. I got this amazing bed sheet from Amazon, so I wanna try that out. And I think it will look good with this background, so let's go ahead and put that. Okay guys, so far I think it looks cute. I like the bedsheet. I like how pink is matching with the flowers there. Okay, and moving over to the last thing now. This is something that I got for shooting videos or something, but I think I'm gonna probably just use this for that and not keep it in the room. But just in case, if you're looking for a good rug, I got this from Amazon for very cheap, and it's such a good rug. Let me just spread it so you can see. This is what it looks like. I am planning to put this on this side of the bed, but I'm so sure it's not gonna stay there forever, because घर पे झाड़ू पोछा रोज होता है and my maid hates it, so she has to, like, you know, remove it and then do the झाड़ू पोछा again and then put it back again. and we are done like that. Time to do the last thing. Finally, this video is coming to an end. Yeah, don't worry. But since I have started gaming, and what's gaming setup without RGB lights, right? So I got some RGB lights from Amazon, and to be honest, I didn't get like a 10-meter strip. I couldn't find it anywhere. For now, this 5-meter ka strip, we are gonna put it across the table. I think this will be a nice add-on, and hopefully it will transform the entire look of this. So let's go ahead and put this. So guys, we took the power socket from this side and we went from there to there to there till the end, and then did like a square thing because my desktop will be here, sorry, monitor will be here, so this won't be visible that much, and this is the situation. So these corners are very hard. Please give me some tips to actually do something about this, because I'm pretty sure this will come out in some time. Guys, this thing, I mean, I don't know about that because there are a lot of wires here, but this is looking sick here. Like transparent acrylic boxes पे जो light reflect होके आ रही है, सही लग रहा है. Guys, अंधेरा नहीं हुआ है, रात को ये ज़्यादा better दिखेगा, तो I'll show you guys at night also. But just in case, my dad wanna see the disco version of this, so let's go. Yes! This is looking so good. I am obsessed. This is like my now favorite thing ever. I need to sort out that wires, but I don't think I know how to, so we'll just ignore that for now. But this part is looking so good. I really hope you guys had fun, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are planning to redecorate your room, I hope this is kind of like a sign for you to do it right now. And also the links to everything that I have shown in this video will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And also I have a couple of other things in my room decor section on my Amazon store, so if you wanna like get something else as well other than what I've already shown in this video, then you might as well check out that section. And that's basically it. If you guys would like to see more such room decor related videos, you know what you have to do. Give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also comment down below, let me know what was your favorite part from this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.